Hi guys, do you have interest in audio game? So this video is for you. In this video, I will play an audio game called Blind Drive. Don't worry, I will also tell you how you can play the game. If you want to download the game, you can visit our official Telegram channel. The link is given in the video description below. So, without further delay, let's get started this special episode. This is a portable game, so you don't need to install this game in your PC. Now,
BlindDrive.x2 of 7.
after downloading this game, you just need to extract the archive folder and you will get this.
BlindDrive.x.
Now here you need to press enter to start the game. I am pressing enter to launch this game.
Blind Drive.
Remember, you must wear a headphone to play the game. Let's wait for a while.
Please put headphones on. Press start to continue.
So here, just I'm pressing enter again.
Are you using Bluetooth headphones?
No.
No.
So using
Button.
I'm
Press
using
return
right
to
arrow and
select.
left arrow to select the option.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No. So I'm
Button.
not using a
Press return
Bluetooth
to
phone.
select.
So press return to select. Return means enter key. So I'm pressing enter to select this.
Which side is the fly on? Use the left and right arrow keys
So
to
now you need to
select.
check your headphone.
Fly is on the left.
Fly is on the left
But
hand.
fly is on the right.
So I'm pressing left arrow
Button.
again.
Fly is on the left.
It's correct. So I'm pressing
Button.
enter.
Press return. Excellent. It's time to drive.
Okay. So now let's wait. I hope you are
Main
getting
menu. Start new game.
sight.
Press
Sorry,
return
you are
to
getting
select.
sound. So this is the sound of a car. Now we need to select a game. The game is like here you will have a car and there is a driver. So driver get a call. Sometimes driver you will drive the car and you need to manage the car from the damage. So if you press up arrow key, then the car will start, and holding the up arrow key you need to use left arrow and right arrow key as a steering, and it is used to cross the other other vehicles. So this is the concept of the game. Okay, so I have told you the concept because when the game will be running, I will not able to speak anything. I'll just encourage you. I'll just tell you if I do anything, if I do any specific task, if I press any specific key, but I can't tell you in details. So this is the game. Okay, now let's select a game. I'm using left arrow and right arrow.
Choose chapter.
Sorry, I'm using
Press
up and
return
down
to
arrow.
start new game.
Start new game.
Choose chapter.
Choose chapter.
Options.
Options.
Press
Quit.
Press
So
options.
let's click on
Press
options.
options menu. Game settings. Audio
Game
settings. Game
settings.
settings.
Audio settings.
Audio's accessibility.
Accessibility.
Press return
Okay.
to change. Audio access. How to play.
How to
Press
play.
return to select.
So if you press enter here,
How to play. Please make sure your
So
headphones
listen.
are on correctly. Use the sound check in the audio settings menu if not sure. To steer, hold the arrow keys or gamut stick to the side. The car
Okay.
will stick to the road's shoulder. Be careful you don't hold it for too long. Let go to return to the center of the road. Your car has 3 lives. Every hit costs a life. After a hit, pings will be heard indicating remaining lives. Every car you pass is worth a point. Special cars and power-ups are worth more. Every 20 points give you an extra life.
okay.
To pause and check your stats, press the escape key or the gamut start button. To skip a dialogue cutscene you've already heard, press return or the gamut B button. Back. Back.
So we're going
Options
back.
menu. Audio setting. Game settings.
Now if
Press
you click
return.
on game settings, so
menu.
see some
Difficult.
options.
Vibrate. Difficulty. Normal.
Difficulty.
Vibrate. On. Press
Vibrate
return.
on.
Blindfold mode. Off.
Blindfold mode.
Resolution. Blindfold mode. Off.
So if
Press
you
return
turn
to
it
change.
on, then hopefully the screen will be not visible.
Resolution back.
So I'm going to
Options
back.
menu. Audio set access. How to credits. Back.
So I'm gonna
Button,
back
main
again.
menu. Start, choose chat, start new game.
And now I'm click on
Press
start
return
new
to
game.
choose difficulty. Normal, balanced, gamutly.
Okay.
Hard, extreme levels of pain.
No.
Back. Hard, normal, balanced.
Actually, I had played this game
Button.
few months ago,
Press
so I need
return
to
to
choose
select. Hard, normal,
this
balanced,
option.
easy focus on story.
Okay.
Normal, balanced, gamutly. Easy focus on story.
So easy.
Button.
So let's
Press
learn
return to select.
the first step. Easy. I'm pressing enter.
How to play. Press and hold arrow keys to avoid cars. Press escape to pause and to check status. Press space to skip a cutscene you've already heard.
Okay.
Press start to begin.
So I'm pressing enter again.
Finally.
So now the game is started.
Where's the answer button?
Let's
Donnie
listen
here.
to the story.
I mean, test subject number. What was it again?
Are you in the starting position?
What? Yeah, just off Highway 46.
Are you wearing the blindfold?
Yeah. Hey, the ad said nothing about a blindfold.
Good.
And the cuffs. Hey, I'm not into that shit, man.
Is the deal off?
What? No. Fine. Whatever. I'm cool, man. I'm cool.
Good.
Hey, your experiment's half an hour, yeah? 'Cause I've got a date later, can't be late, you know what I mean?
Shut up. Start driving.
What do you mean, start driving? Hey, what the hell? Hey, wait! Hey! Fuck! The brakes don't work!
The car is remote controlled. Except the wheel. That's on you.
Shit! This thing's going
So
against
press left
traffic,
arrow.
man!
Relax. Now, pay attention. Do you have ears?
What?
Do you have ears?
Yes!
So use them. Listen for approaching cars, hear which side they're coming from, and hold to the opposite side.
Opposite? Well, how will I know?
Here comes one now.
Wow.
To the side next time.
Sorry, one life got. So let's see.
Well done.
This is fucked up, man.
Now, stay in the middle between the two lanes on a broken line.
I can't see the line!
Exactly. Excellent.
Hey, man, this is like, not at
So,
all
I'm
what I
really
had in
enjoying?
mind, you know.
Now, you can do it. Oh, I've got to feed the cat.
But, what? The cat?
Driving. Call you back.
Wait! Oh, shit.
So you also enjoying, right? So like this video, share this video also. I'm using right arrow, right arrow again, left arrow, right arrow. So next story.
Hey,
Looking good.
you know, I am getting the hang of this.
Told you could do it.
I'm a pro, man. I do these experiments all the time.
You've got talent. Sure does run in the family.
Family. I'm not really sure what you mean by that, man, but...
Quick, hold to the left. Left.
Left. Oh my God.
Was that a bicycle?
Did you hear how rude they were? They've got no manners.
Manners?
Think they own the road. Granola heads.
Well, actually, cycling is healthy and good for the environment, man.
Shut
It's...
up. You're gonna show them who owns the road.
Who owns the...
And the
Road?
best part, you get an extra life for each.
Okay. Right, just hang up. Thank you.
Right arrow,
Yeah, fuck you too.
Right row. Left row. Right row. Left row. Left row. Right row. Right row. Right row. Left row. Right row. Left row. Left row.
Hey, this is some fucked up shit. You know that?
Donishka, there's no way to talk to Grandma.
Grandma?
Yes, you called.
I called?
Not canceling on me again. Now you done it.
What? No, I mean...
Okay, so this is all about the grandma
did you forget
story.
your teeth again?
Yes. Don't be mad. I'll put them on when I get home.
Try to remember for once, will you?
What's the matter, Boobale? You sound all worked up.
No, I'm fine. I'm just... working a gig.
A gig?
Science research. An experiment.
I told you to stop doing those fakakta experiments. Get a proper job.
They pay well, okay? I need the money.
Well, don't be late.
So-
Hey, I made you filter fish, and poor Wilkins hasn't had his fur brushed in ages.
Wilkins is
He
fine.
only likes it when you...
Grandma? Hello?
Sweet little grandma on her way home.
What? You dialed her?
What a good grandson. Dinner with grandma every Tuesday? Oh,
Hey, how do you even... Hey, that's not cool, man. Listening in on private conversations?
you sound upset. Are you upset, Donnie?
Yeah, man, cut out the creepy shit, okay?
Well, it's no fun if you're upset. Let's turn on the radio. Something to cheer you up.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
What's that? Can't hear you.
Fucking scientists, man!
So now music is playing.
Yes, thank you!
Getting better by the minute.
Good one with the radio! Can we, not do that again?
Relax. You're doing so well, I'm gonna give you a treat. Have some ice cream.
Save it for your lab rats. I don't like ice cream.
Shut up. Everyone likes ice cream. Here comes the ice cream truck. Catch it. Come on, don't be rude. This ice cream, it's the best.
Yeah,
Next
but...
time, smash the ice cream truck. Why did you hit the ice cream truck, Donnie?
Okay, man, I get it. Next time. What the? Hey! The windows? Really?
I was worried you'd catch a cold.
Haha, haha. That's funny, man. Now open up.
Or worse, I'd never let little Donushka get an ear infection.
Hey! This is going too far!
You're welcome.
We're supposed to be done by now. Okay. Concentrate. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! God damn it! Leave me alone! Fucking... your sister! And don't come back! Fresh air. Yeah, what now?
Congratulations. You've made it through phase 1.
Really? Finally! Wait, phase 1?
You've been brilliant. But phase 2 is where it really gets spanking.
Phase 2? No. This has been great, man, but I gotta run. How about you just mail me the check, huh?
Shut up! You'll be done when I say you're done.
Game paused. 3.
So I have paused this game. So I have completed the
Press
phase
return to
1. Now
resume.
next is phase 2, which I'm not going to play right now. So I have given you a wrong key comments, which is you need to press up arrow to start the car. No, the car will be automatically get started. You just need to control the car by using left arrow and right arrow. So this is all about the game. Now you should play and you should try and let us know your feedback into the comment section. To watch more videos like this, subscribe Accessible Computing, and if you like this content, don't forget to press the like button and let us know if you want to watch more game videos into the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.